Go.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're cleaning up my toy box.
Just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you.
I'm going to show you the reveal.
Okay, so what do you want to show us first? All right, so let's open it up. Ooh, so explain to us what's down here, Isla.
Toys and food.
Okay, it's got all your food, right? This is all your food. And what's on the next shelf? Open it up so we can see.
Plates.
No, okay. You got all your plates. Can you open them back up, both of them? Good job. All right, so sit right here and explain to us what's in there.
So this is food and this is a toy.
All your toys, nice. And what's down here?
And these are plates.
Plates, nice. Okay.
More cups.
Okay.
Oh, like,
Good job.
what are these?
Salt and pepper shaker.
Yeah. And then these are nice.
Knives, yes.
Straw.
Uh-huh.
What's in that bucket in the back? What are these?
That's your sugar container.
Finger container.
Yes. And that's your cup.
Cup.
Good job.
And this is the sink.
That's your sink. Oh, nice. Okay.
This is the book.
The book.
Baby book.
The baby book. Okay. Yo-yo.
Picture of clock.
Mm-hmm.
And like microwave.
Microwave.
And food.
Yes. So this is your Islas Cafe. What's the name of your restaurant? Cracker Barrel. No. You don't know? Let's just say Islas Cafe.
It's a cafe.
Okay. All right. So what else do we have over here?
This is the
That's the stove where you cook.
yes, and this is the lemonade cup.
The lemon.
This is these cups.
Oh, nice.
This is my tablet.
Your tablet. That's how you take your orders?
Yeah, I'm
Oh.
gonna take orders from some of the people.
Nice.
Some of my food.
Oh, that is so nice. Okay, what do we have over here?
Now this is the mini station that they when come here and then they send some dollars on it. They get coins too. And this is my call station. I call some people when they come here.
Okay.
Call phone and music.
You got your music? Oh,
So I'm
nice.
gonna put it on.
Nice. You got your music. Okay, what else is over here?
And then this is a chair.
No, what's this right here? This is for the babies to sit and eat?
Yes. And this is the stroller so I can take them to a store.
Oh, this is so very, very nice. And you're playing, yes. Can I come? So how do people come? What's in the box over here?
Oh my God. They're really good and nice. Yes. My camera, my baby blanket, all of that stuff.
Oh, nice.
Even
Her clothes.
her.
Okay, let's put it back. So you're gonna promise to keep Islas Cafe nice and clean?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.